Title: Oceans of Fear. Shark Territory. Introduction. Into the blue abyss. Beneath the waves lies a realm that teems with life and mystery, a kingdom ruled by powerful predators whose presence evokes both awe and fear. This is the domain of sharks, apex predators that have dominated the oceans for over 400 million years. In Oceans of Fear, Shark Territory, we dive deep into the world of these remarkable creatures to explore their behavior, incredible sensory capabilities, social lives, and the often misunderstood legacy that surrounds them. Ancient survivors. Sharks are among the oldest living species on Earth. Their evolutionary lineage dates back to the Devonian period, long before dinosaurs roamed the land. With over 500 known species, sharks have adapted to nearly every marine environment, from shallow coastal waters to the darkest ocean depths. This diversity includes the mighty great white, the mysterious hammerhead, the elusive thresher, and the gentle giant known as the whale shark. Their longevity is a testament to their adaptability. Over millions of years, sharks have refined their predatory tools, developing sleek, hydrodynamic bodies, rows of razor-sharp teeth, and some of the most advanced sensory systems in the animal kingdom. Sensory superpowers. Sharks are equipped with a suite of finely tuned senses that make them unmatched hunters. Their ability to detect prey extends beyond sight and smell. Olfactory system. Smell sharks can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Their sense of smell is so acute that they can trace blood trails to their source from miles away. Lateral line. Running along the sides of their bodies, this sensory organ detects vibrations and movement in the water. It allows sharks to sense the flutter of a fish fin or the erratic swim pattern of an injured animal. Electroreception. Perhaps their most fascinating ability, sharks possess ampullae of Lorenzini, gel-filled pores near their snouts that detect electric fields generated by the muscle contractions of prey. This enables them to hunt in complete darkness and even find prey buried in sand. Vision. Contrary to popular belief, many shark species have excellent vision, especially in low-light conditions. Their eyes are adapted to the dimly lit ocean depths and can detect contrast and movement with precision. Predatory precision. Tactics and traps. Sharks are not mindless killers. Their hunting strategies vary by species and are often tailored to their environment and prey type. Reputation. Shark attacks on humans are extremely rare. Most species pose no threat to humans, and even those that do, like the great white, bull shark, or tiger shark, typically attack out of curiosity or mistaken identity. Media portrayals, particularly films like Jaws, have painted sharks as bloodthirsty monsters. This has led to widespread fear and, tragically, the senseless killing of millions of sharks annually. In truth, humans are not on a shark's menu. In many cases, sharks bite and release once they realize the mistake. Conservation crisis. Sharks are in trouble. Overfishing, habitat loss, and the global shark fin trade have decimated populations. It's estimated that over 100 million sharks are killed each year, primarily for their fins, which are used in shark fin soup, a delicacy in some cultures. The ecological impact of shark loss is profound. As apex predators, sharks maintain the balance of marine ecosystems. They regulate populations of prey species, which in turn affects the health of coral reefs, seagrass beds, and fish stocks. Without sharks, entire oceanic food webs could collapse. Changing the narrative. A global movement is underway to protect sharks and change public perception. Scientists, conservationists, and filmmakers are shedding light on the true nature of these animals. Intelligent, curious, and vital to our planet's health. Marine sanctuaries, sustainable fishing practices, and international protections like CITES listings are helping some populations recover. But more must be done. Education plays a key role. By replacing fear with understanding, we can inspire the next generation to value sharks not as villains, but as vital guardians of the sea. Shark tourism, a double-edged sword. In many places, sharks have become a cornerstone of marine tourism. Destinations like South Africa, the Bahamas, and Australia offer cage diving experiences that allow people to safely witness these creatures up close. When done responsibly, shark tourism can benefit conservation efforts by generating revenue, funding research, and fostering empathy. However, it also raises concerns about altering natural behaviors and increasing risks if not properly managed. Sharks and climate change. Climate change is another looming threat. Rising ocean temperatures and acidification affect shark prey availability, migratory patterns, and reproductive success. Warmer waters may push sharks into new territories, potentially increasing human-shark interactions. Research is ongoing to understand how sharks are adapting to these rapid environmental changes. Early evidence suggests some species may be more resilient than others, but the long-term outlook remains uncertain. The silent swimmers. For all their power and presence, sharks are often silent swimmers, gliding effortlessly through the water, unseen and unheard. They are the ghosts of the deep, ever watchful, ever patient. Their lives unfold in a world few humans truly understand, governed not by aggression, but by instinct, adaptation, and ecological balance. Conclusion. Guardians of the deep. Oceans of fear, shark territory, challenges us to reconsider everything we thought we knew about sharks. These incredible animals are not villains. They are survivors, sculpted by nature to keep the oceans healthy. As stewards of the planet, we have a responsibility to protect them. By diving into their world, we can begin to replace fear with fascination and ensure that future generations will share the seas with these magnificent guardians of the deep. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Jungle Genius TV for more wildlife wonders.